Okay, greetings everybody. How are you doing today? Great. This is just a quick video explaining the last trade I took for this week, and that was yesterday. Today is a Saturday, right? On this video, first of all, we stated that the crude oil had been crashing and crashing, of course, based on the increase in the COVID, the Delta variant cases. And of course, this week also the USD was bullish. And then, of course, this week was very volatile. It was very volatile as the crude oil was tanking. Of course, that means that the CAD would also be tanking, and then the USD would be appreciating. So this is a good currency pair based on strong currency and a weak currency to put together. And then this week we had over about 400 pips movement. Yes, right, from where it started up to here, it was over 400 pips. As it was over 400 pips, we haven't had any tangible pullback, right? And of course, Friday is also known as profit taking day. It's notorious for profit taking day, and it was pushing higher. We're having some little boxes of consolidation area here, which needed to be tested as support. Yes, because of course, if you want to buy in this uptrend, then of course you'll be looking forward to these areas of support to jump in. But then who is going to do the selling? That is the question. Who is going to do the selling? Because somebody has to do the selling. Somebody has to trade against this bullish move. And enough for those to do the selling, why not you sell from a different angle? Because trying to go against this, it looks as if you are going against the market, obviously. But what if you drop down to a lower time frame, which I did? I dropped down to a lower time frame, and then I saw this move. I saw this down move over here. I saw this move. First of all, we had like a 1, 2, 3 move. Then I saw this move. And from this move, we now had this area here of this quick box over here. So as we had this box here, this was where I jumped in. I jumped in here, got my entry here, and then voila, it dropped up to this point here, right? Of course, I would have loved it to have dropped down to the next area of this box here that acted as a little resistance and support, or maybe even drop down to this area here. But look at it. It was way too far. This was a Friday. Of course, Fridays, you're not going to expect the market to just go crazy and drop all the way back to where it started from. So I was happy to jump in here. I got in here. Stop loss was just about here. And then you can see where I got taken out here for take profit, right? I think it was maybe about 60 pips or 70 pips thereabout. I can't really remember. But based on the risk to reward ratio, this was an absolute good trade. This simply means that you can get a trade in a bullish market by selling, but you can do it also strategically by crossing over to another time frame that has started to give you bearish signs, bearish moves. No need to fight that trend from that point of view. You can fight that trend from another point of view that happens to be in the same direction in which you want to go. I hope you understand what I was just saying now. I hope you understand what I just explained now. Well, if not, you can watch the video over and over and over again, or you can easily hop on a call and let's discuss some more. You could ask questions in person, or you can type in the comment section and ask your questions, and let's see how we can help you. Okay, want to say thank you to everybody. Enjoy the weekend, of course. Use the weekend, as I always say, use the weekend to get some rest, and also use the weekend to go over the market. See what you could have done better, see what you could have taken that you did not take, and of course, it's going to help you for next week's trading. Okay, guys, it has been a pleasure. Enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. Goodbye.